Hey Splat fans, where are we today, boys?
Peppa Pig World!
Peppa Pig World! Yeah, at Paultons Park.
Jax is frozen.
Hi Jax, you a bit cold, mate?
He's a statue. Right, let's go on some rides, boys.
Right, let's go. So we just bought a season ticket here. So we're going to do a little bit of Paultons Park, Peppa Pig World. So we're going to go and do the balloon ride first, yeah, boys? Oh look, there's Grandpa's train there, look. So we're going to go over to there next, alright? Grandpa's train. Oh, giant hot air balloons. Look at that, look.
However, children under 8 years old must be accompanied by a responsible adult. Each balloon can seat a maximum of 5 adults, 2 children, or 5
They're giant balloons, aren't they? Miss Rabbit's helicopters. Yeah. It's going to be open soon, boys. We're going to be able to see lots up here, aren't we, eh? Yeah?
Yeah, Mummy's scared.
Yeah. Oh, look at that, Splat fans are just testing the ride. Just make sure it's all safe. We're going to be able to get to go on it in a minute, boys, yeah? You excited? Yeah! Hey Jackson, you excited? Yeah!
Gonna go on a
Right, Henry?
Gonna get up in the air?
We're in a hot air balloon, aren't we?
Yeah.
Hey? We're going to go up really high. You can see the castle at the back there. Is that the new thing opening, is it?
Yeah, I think so.
Cool.
There's 2 new rides coming in.
May, innit? Yeah.
Yeah, that's where we're going to spend our day.
Yeah. Yeah.
In the cab.
Having coffee.
Yeah.
Henry? Hi, Splat fans. Hope you're having a good day.
Enjoying the wonderful views over Peppa Pig. Your safety must be
Yeah, where are we?
to ensure this by listening to the following.
Hopefully the ride gets off in a minute.
Anybody can ride on Peppa's Pig.
First thing's the ride.
Children under 8 years
One more
old
and then we'll
must
pull
be
up.
accompanied
Yeah.
by a responsible adult. Each balloon can
Big
seat
queues already, aren't there?
4 adults and 2 children.
Gets really busy in this park.
Yeah, yeah.
You must remain seated and do not change your seat position. Keep your hands and arms inside the balloon at all times. Guests and wheelchair users must follow carefully to assist them in the Do not attempt to climb out of your basket until
Oh, we're going up, Henry.
you can exit the ride to the left.
We're going up. Yeah. Let's make sure this door's shut. Yeah. Nice and safe.
Wow, we're going up really high.
Yeah. You can see a whole park here, guys. Miss Rabbit's helicopters. The whole of Peppa Pig World. Wow, this is so cool.
Wow, this is so horrible, being up in the air.
You right, Henry?
Is it fun?
Yeah? Hey?
I'm scared.
There. That's alright, we'll be down in a sec, mate.
It's because it's windy. I'm
Yeah.
holding on in case we fall off.
That's alright. We're alright, mate.
I hate rides.
I don't mind them, they're alright. They're not too
Such
bad.
a liar.
You right, Henry? Yeah, you good?
Do you like it?
Thumbs up. Boom. High five.
Look how high we are.
We're going to go and do Grandpa's train in a minute, yeah?
I want to look and say, where is Grandpa Pig's train ride?
Just there, look.
Oh yeah.
There it is. The pink houses. See, look, we're going down now. It's all done. That wasn't too bad, was it, guys?
So you keep your eyes inside the vehicle, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
doing this one.
Right, Henry, do you like that? Do you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah.
Either this one, this one.
You going on Grandpa Pig's train?
Yeah.
What noise does it make? Yeah! Give me a high five. Boom.
Good job. Right, are you ready?
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Thanks very much. Hey boys, we on Grandad Pig's train? Yeah?
Oh, look at Jackson's face.
That's cool, isn't it? There's loads of really neat stuff here, isn't there, boys? Yeah?
He's got a whole train to himself.
Yeah, Oscar's on the other carriage, in the red one, on his own.
You Mac. You're blended in, Oscar. You're camouflaged.
Hey, darling.
Baby. Oh, you have to sit down.
Oh, you got to sit down,
Pick.
Pickle, yeah?
Want me to help you? There you go.
That's it, we're going, yay! Alright,
Wow, we're on the train. Grandad Pig's train.
Yeah.
Choo choo.
yeah. See all the flowers?
Where did you go? Where did you go? Jackson keeps like doing the phrases today. Long. Whee!
Yeah, do you like the train, Jax?
What noise do trains make? Choo choo.
Yeah, give the boys and girls a wave. Back at the station.
We go again.
Yeah, going round again. Is that Grandad's house? What's that? No, it's a library, isn't it? Daddy doesn't know Peppa Pig very well, does he? We just went on them balloons, didn't we?
Yeah, look how high they are.
Yeah. You right at the back, Oscar? Yeah? Gonna be pulling up to the station any minute.